Hello, everyone. Welcome to Imagine Brewery, the place where you get full analysis, stock market, technology, business models, and we believe in making you successful. Today, I'm going to talk about Tata Technologies. We're going to understand what the whole hype is about around the IPO. Is it IPO? Is it INFO? The TCS, Tata Elxsi, or Tata Technologies? How are they different? The positives, the negatives, the red flags, the green flags. What exactly does the company do? And if at all I am subscribing to the offer on sale. So Tata Technologies का क्या है कि they believe in saying, and if you go to their website, they are saying that they are engineering a better world. And how exactly is because there are so many times that there are shares in just around us, but we do not understand what are they up to. And that's why common investors do not understand the probability of their success in the future or what they can become, because it's not just right out there, it's not in the face. So what exactly are they brewing? We are Imagine Brewery, we are brewing success. What is Tata Technologies brewing? Well, all the cars that you see are the end result of things that Tata Technologies has done, or the activities, the services, the platforms, right? So on the top left, you see Discovery Sport, and then you see the Polestar one, then you see the Nexon EV, and then the VinFast SUVs, and then the Neo car, which is a Chinese EV company. If they're brewing so beautiful products, what exactly do they do to come up with an end result like this? So now we go to the how. How do they brew up such great products? Well, Tata Technologies is a company जो pretty much सब कुछ करती है. Like it's an engineering, research and development company in primarily automotive, manufacturing, aerospace, transportation sectors. We will talk about automotive more because that's where the chunk of their revenue comes. If you look at the overall global ER&D TAM, which is total addressable market, पूरा market जिसमें कि वो business कर सकती है, that's $100 billion. Keep this number in mind because I'll relate it back to 100 billion when we talk about Tata Technologies financials. And this is one of the very few, very rare companies who has the capability of delivering like a full vehicle. So we talked about Discovery Sport back in 2015, 14, 15. This is one car which they delivered with JLR, where everything you can touch and feel, including the software, is the entire technology is engineered by Tata Technologies, which is massive. And then again, they have a EVMP, which is Vehicle Scalable Modular Platform, which actually enables all these companies which are traditionally ICE engines to actually move towards electric goals and electrification. And what exactly do they do further and how do they do it? Is like I said, they have their entire value chain. Tata Technologies is a part wherein right from starting to concept engineering, let's say if VinFast says that, hey, which is a Vietnamese EV maker, when they say that, I want two electric vehicles to be launched in, let's say, the next 16 months, they will start right from the beginning, which is concept engineering. They do the mechanical design and development. They also do the software design and development. They do the test and validation, and they also do the production launch. So now a question arises is how is Tata Technologies different from a Tata Elxsi or a TCS? Think of Tata Technologies as an overall company who does everything, while TCS could be, let's say, working on bits of modules in the software and maintaining it. Elxsi has its own just the software bit, right? Now, a lot of talk has been about क्या ये OFS है, IPO है. Essentially, the promoter group, who currently owns 76.7%, they are selling off their shares so that the non-promoter group's stake increases to 43.3% and the promoter group reduces to 56.7%. That's what's happening. If I look at the financials, you can see that from March 20 year on year, they have been increasing at least from 21 to 23. It has been a good growth. And this is where I said if the total addressable market is $100 billion, which in Indian terms in crores is around, let's say, 83,200 crores, the revenue till now is only 4418. So it's still a long runway. And if you look at the ROE, ROCE ratios in FY23, it's at the healthy 20% plus mark. Now, what does the future hold? See, not everything is positive, absolutely positive, or absolutely negative. So, we're going to look at some green flags and also some red flags. Tata Technologies is right now in such a sweet spot where they are thinking and working in the spot where the entire world is sort of moving towards electrification, autonomous driving. The EV focus is there, and they have, like I said, the platform and they have the expertise in moving companies and their overall frameworks from a ICE, which is an internal combustion engine, to a EV shift. So they've done it with JLR, Jaguar Land Rover. They've done it with Tata Motors, and with companies like Neo in China. They have also worked on a lightweight body capability, which is something which they're taking these learnings from China. And China, right now, in this entire world, is the highest and is the strongest when it comes to the EV focus, right? The highest number of EV cars and buses. And then they're taking these learnings, expanding to North America, EU, and emerging countries. When they go after a new client, in order to sort of convince them, they also go back to their top referenceable clients, which itself is Tata Motors and Jaguar Land Rover. And also, the future looks bright because there will be tailwinds in defense, aerospace. But then, all's not going to be hunky dory because we know the kind of global macroeconomic conditions that plague us at times, with wars waging and all kinds of macroeconomic conditions. There could be an inflation around the corner, and we might see a vehicle purchase slow down, which then affects all the projects that Tata Technologies take. There could be a semiconductor shortage depending on how the situations come up in the South China Sea. The Taiwan situation, of course, is ever evolving. And one thing which I felt was a little um, concerning for me was that 65 or 67% revenue is from their top 4 5 clients, and the overall aim of this IPO is still unclear. Having said that, what is the verdict? I'm going to be subscribing because I feel it still has a lot of potential. This was a quick video on Tata Technologies. Give a thumbs up and comment if you liked it, and please subscribe for more such informational videos. Thank you.